Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to use clip maker in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express. Now you can see new interface in the Adobe Express. Now we use clip maker. Now scroll your mouse. Now click from quick edits. Now click from view all option. Now scroll your mouse. Now select from clip maker. Now I select from drag and drop a video. Now click from browse option. Now select from video. Now click for open option. Now click from generate clips. Now wait for some moment in the loading. Now wait for 100%. Now analyze the video. That it's now analyze. Now clip the video and two clip, first clip and second clip. Now play the video. That it's now download the video clip video. That it's now I can see use clip maker in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.